In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NinjaTrader time and sales. Now to do this, first you want to open NinjaTrader and then you want to go to your control center up top and click on New. From here, you want to click on TNS, which of course stands for time and sales. And then when you do this, it's going to open this window over here called TNS or time and sales. So from here, what you're going to have to do is first select the instrument. So you can just go and of course right click anywhere over here and go to instruments over here and then select the one you want, or you could also go and select up top. So I'm actually going to go and select this over here. You could also just type in whatever you're looking for. I'm going to go with something simple. I'm going to do this one over here. And then there we go. As you can see, it's going to give you kind of the bid and ask over here. And that's essentially kind of the main part of how to set this up. Okay. Now, of course, you can also go and kind of read these data columns over here. So let me kind of try to explain what these things over here do. So time over here, you can of course see your time. This is going to be the exact timestamp down to the millisecond when the trade cleared. Okay. Then you have the transaction price, which is the second one. And that, of course, here is the transaction price. Super simple to understand. Basically, that's essentially all there is to it. And then there's also the size. So that's going to be the number of contracts or shares involved in that specific execution. Now, a B flag, which you can see over here, marks large block trades. Okay. Now, over here, sometimes you're going to have like H or L flags, and those are going to show as like highs or lows. Okay. So if you want to add a new one, you can click on the plus button and then add a new one and change it to whatever you want. Then from here, you can also interpret these colors as you can see over here. So green are going to be ask prints, so trades executed at or above the ask price showing aggressive buying pressure are going to be green. Then these kind of red or orange ones over here are going to be bid prints, so trades executed at or below the bid price showing aggressive selling pressure are going to be these bid, red or orange prints. Okay. And of course, if you see like any clusters or rapid sequences of green or red prints, you can go ahead and then use those to spot short-term momentum or momentum shifts or even breakouts. Okay. So that's essentially all there is to this time and sales. That's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.